It looked like I've been in a battle, right? I'm too old for this crap. So my caliper piston was sticking. My driver's side caliper piston was sticking. So I was at the end of the braking, man, I was getting a little vibration, right? So I changed the rotors, everything, and even that caliper pads, everything. Guess what? I'm still getting the vibration. So what I noticed when I was bleeding the brakes is the brake fluid wasn't shooting out as hard from that side than it was from the other side. So here's my thing I'm thinking. I could have a collapsed caliper line, or I could have a bad bearing on the driver's side. But here's the thing. The piston wasn't coming out. So I changed the caliper and brakes because I needed it anyways. But I'm still making a problem. What do you think it could be?